route over which you're traveling today is one of the oldest railroad right-of-ways in the entire world. It was given to the Strasburg Railroad Company by an act of the Pennsylvania legislature on June the 9th, 1832. For over a century and a half, the railroad has been serving the community of Strasburg. It's definitely not an enterprise in technical tonight. Many generations of passengers have traveled the road to paradise. 40 folks boarded our coaches today. At our freight yard, if you're taking a look out to the front of the side of the train, you'll notice these little rows of little cabooses. They belong to the Red Caboose Lodge, a privately operated motel which is one of the very few places in the entire world where you can spend the night in a real caboose. Farther in the distance, you'll see the flagpole and yellow tower of the National Toy Train Collector's Museum. This museum houses toy trains of all sizes, shapes, colors, and ages, toy trains from the mid-1800s through today. Some of these trains are featured on 5 operating layouts. Fairview Crossing will be next. Fairview. Railroad is probably the oldest public utility in North America. It is also the oldest railroad in continuous operation on the continent of North America. The railroad is owned by a group of local stockholders. It was back in 1958 when 24 dedicated railroad companies purchased the line and saved it from bankruptcy and abandonment.
What's this?
They all donated their time, their money, and much hard work, strictly as a labor of love, all for the fun of railroading. On the left-hand side of the train, you'll notice the large white buildings of the Esmond Turkey Farm. It is billed as the oldest turkey farm on the continent of North America, as verified by Turkey World magazine. Yes, folks, there really is a Turkey World magazine. The turkey farm is a very busy place. The months of November and December are especially not a good time to get turkey on this farm. In case we're wondering at the speed of our train today, it's a very simple matter. The oldest timetable we ever found for our line was in the Strasburg newspaper, dated August of 1852. We still follow that same basic schedule today. So if you've ever wondered how fast great-grandpa traveled over Strasburg, this is it. Most definitely somewhere under 60 miles per hour. In fact, way under 60 miles per hour. We're very happy to have you with us today as we enjoy state railroad here on the road to paradise. Take a moment to examine the car you're riding. Each of those cars costs about $250,000 each to restore to their present condition. Our locomotives cost about $500,000 to restore to their present condition, and we spend $25,000 each year to keep them safe and reliable. We're practical. We try to make our equipment accurate to the period of 1910 to 1930. We're very proud of the work that we do, and it's all accomplished with funds from the ticket we purchased back at our East Strasburg station. Esmond Shade Crossing will be next. Esmond Shade. Look out your window, you'll see one of our other actions, Lancaster County's farm. In an effort to protect the farmland that you see, the Strasburg Railroad has teamed up with the Lancaster Farmland Trust. When one of the farms you see becomes available for preservation, the Strasburg Railroad will donate a portion of the ticket proceeds from your ticket purchase back to the Strasburg station towards the preservation of that farm. This area of Lancaster was settled 41 off to our right was originally a Conestoga wagon train, opened about 1710. The old stone house is off to the right-hand side of that train. It was built about 1774 and was originally the home of Cornelius Reed, who built right to Conestoga wagon. Settlers headed west to Carlisle could buy Conestoga wagons, guns, and provisions, all produced in this immediate area. Today, this old stone house is part of the Cherry Crest Adventure Farm, which borders our tracks on both sides. The Cherry Crest Adventure Farm is also the home of the amazing maze. In addition to the corn maze, the Cherry Crest Adventure Farm offers more than 15 acres of farm fun for the whole family. If you'd like to visit the Adventure Farm, you can step off our train when it stops at the Maze on our return trip. The Adventure Farm is not operated by and there is an additional admission charge. Cherry Crest Adventure Farm represents yet another way our local farmers are adapting in the face of ever-increasing development pressures. Cherry Hill will be next. Cherry Hill. Cherry Hill is also the home of the smallest station on our railroad. And you may not notice it, but it's only due to the high rate of speed at which we go by. On the side of that station reads population 17 more or less. That means more when we get there, and a whole lot less when we leave. Shortly, our train will be passing Ross Road. It won't stop for passengers in this direction. However, when the train is running, we stop here to meet the other train. Making this one of the very few places in the entire world where two regularly scheduled steam-powered passenger trains meet one another on the no automobile. This farmer drives a buggy, and there are plenty of big workhorses, mules, and willing hands to help with the hard work of farming. In addition to dairy cattle, produce consists of corn, wheat, rye, hay, barley, soybeans, alfalfa, famous lengths of honey, broadleaf, tobacco. These are peaceful and prosperous people, contributing greatly to the farm economy of Lancaster County, and we're very proud to have them as our neighbors. Attention all children on board.